My name is Varun Girson, and I'm in 11th grade. I'm currently enrolled in Mr. Singh's computer science course. Mr. Singh is, in my opinion, a really gifted teacher who loves working with children. He works hard to get important information into the heads of people my age. These are the reasons why. To start with, his websites, Codemode and Perfectus, are fantastic resources for improving people's foundational skills in computer science, mathematics, and even the SAT. I personally used his platform for math and computer science, which I enjoyed using because it not only had slick, simple to use features, but also taught me a lot about fundamental concepts. I strongly advise you to use this website to improve your math and computer science skills. Mr. Singh has also been my instructor since I was in 8th grade, teaching me everything from geometry to coding. In 8th grade, I was absolutely lost when it came to geometry. I was able to get back on track and earn an A thanks to Mr. Singh's direction and lessons. Initially, I had no interest at all in learning more about computer science. As I began receiving coaching from Mr. Singh, my curiosity and trepidation about computer science gradually grew. Due to this intense passion for computer science, Mr. Singh piqued my interest in the subject. He tries to modify his teaching methods according to the students' comprehension skills, which was beneficial to my understanding of Python. All in all, Mr. Singh's platform Codemode and his in-person and online classes are great places to gain knowledge about mathematics and computer science.